RHI Magnesita is the global lead in the refractory industry. We have 20,000 people across more than 30 countries. It's an Austrian company based in Vienna. And our main challenge when we started this whole SuccessFactors journey was that we had very decentralized processes, various systems across the globe, and we didn't have actually access to the information. It was even hard to push a button and know how many headcounts we had in the organization. So just this journey started back in 2019. We had our first go live in 2020, December 2020, and since then we have implemented various modules. And at this point, I believe we have implemented everything that SAP SuccessFactors has to offer. HR Path came into this partnership midway through. We were almost done with the implementation, and we were then searching for a global partner that could really support our business across the globe. We really needed to be a global partner, and this is the main thing that we saw in HR Path as a partner, that they really could support us in all those locations, in the language that we required, right? Our common language here in the organization is English. So HR Path has been a great partnership in basically developing our modules further to really support our employees and especially our key users across the globe to ensure that people are paid on time and that we solve all our issues in the best possible way.